we're really looking at the environmental justice campaign and focusing it on the Salton Sea.
Before, the focus was more towards transportation and infrastructure, but the community really came back and said, listen, we know something is happening at the sea. We're not really too sure what it is, but we would like for you to go and find out, come back, report to us, and then put us at the table if change needs to happen.
The Salton Sea, because of a rural to urban water transfer, is quickly drying up.
Not only do we have the issue of a shrinking sea, which is exposing land to dust, and dust in the air, which has a particulate matter that can affect people with lung disease, but you also have the issue of, because the sea is now mostly fed by runoff irrigation and rainwater that goes to it, going through agricultural fields that use pesticides and chemicals and things like that, you have toxic issues that you have to deal with.
The state last year came up with a 10-year plan on how to start mitigating some of the impacts of the drying sea.
By us being part of it now as Alianza, with the EJ campaign, we're bringing in the community's perspective. We're going to have a community science component where the youth are going to be understanding the science of what's happening at the Salton Sea through balloon mapping and doing aerial pictures and documenting them through a period of 2 years. And the reason why is because in our side where there's more people, there's less documentation of it. So for us, partnering up with institutions and informing also the Cal EPA and having all those connections through the partners to make sure that the data that the youth are collecting is something that it's going to be respected once it's presented.
The full community-focused docu-special, The Other Side of Coachella, is on our website at empirenetwork.org/Coachella, only on Empire PBS. Support for the Other Side of Coachella series on Empire PBS comes from the California Endowment, promoting a positive economic environment for underserved individuals and communities, and promoting fundamental improvements in health status of all Californians. More information at calendow.org.